Make money online by sending text messages, coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 websites where you can make money by sending text messages. And before we get on to the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and I show you how to create passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also, you can check on my #1 recommendation on making a full-time income online down on the description down below. Alright, let's get on to the video. So how you can make money by sending text messages. And the #1 website I really recommend, and they cover a lot of countries now, probably like 79 countries, and it's really awesome if you are in the Asian countries where I'm from. If you can make like $5 to $10 a day, that's crazy money already. That's already a full-time income for most of us there. So I highly recommend you check this out. This website is called StreetBees. So basically what they do is they do a market research, right? And what you're gonna do here as a bee, right? You send them anything that happens in your life and in your particular area. Say for example, if you have like what you eat, what you drink, what your services are, your cell phones, your whatever, all the stuff that you experience in your place, you can send them, and then they can pay you for that. So StreetBees. So the description is gonna be on the link on the website is gonna be in the description down below, but it's really easy to to see here the address, StreetBees. So what you're gonna do, right? What you're gonna do is that you become a bee, right? So you click here, you go to this website, and this is basically it. Just share your stories and have fun, right? So like all the festivals, like what we have in the Philippines, we have like tons of festivals, and almost every month we have festivals. So make sure you document that. Take a video. It's just one minute something, 1 minute video here. It's an app that you can use on your cell phone, right? So they have partners, right? This one, right? Unilever, L'Oreal, Pepsi, right? So this is how it works. Pick one task, right? Answer the questions and get paid, right? So that's how easy it is. So these are just sample tasks. Like for £10, take 1 minute's video while you make your tea, right? So make your tea. Say, hey, this the tea is very aromatic, right? I love the smell, and I like how it looks, and this is how it tastes, right? So I like this one. I also prefer this one and that one. Something be opinionated. It's really easy, and you can see here someone's just making coffee, right? Taking a video and coffee, and then right, and then you submit it, and then they will check it out, and it's you will get paid. And he's also $5. Say what you think of your mobile network, right? So your cell phone provider, right? So say, hey, the signal sucks at some areas, or I lost signal in this area, something like that, right? And take photo. I think this is yen. Take a photo of your local supermarket. See, so because they will also see the arrangement, the which area they put the fruits, the meat, the bread, right? Because that's also part of a market research, right? So you can download this on your Google Play Store and your iTunes Store, right? Your App Store. So right now they have like 25,000 stories, 150,000 questions, and 2,000 photos. So it's really easy to join, and you just download this in your app, right? So this is what I like about this, is that it's basically all over the world, right? So this is what I love about this, because it's really hard for some, to make money on this type of websites if you're not in the Northern Americas, right, or in the UK. So that's what I love of this. This is why I really recommend this one. And also, if you are want more, this is another website that I recommend. It's iq.com or 1q.com. It's basically just a survey site. It's this is how it works, right? So you sign as a consumer, you engage on brands that send you questions, you respond to their survey, and then when they analyze it, and then you will get paid on this one, right? But this is mostly in the Northern Americas, so I'm not sure if you can go here if you are in the Asian countries where I'm from. So if you want, just check this out, right? And also this one, basically you're getting paid by sending text messages, right? Unfortunately, these are the only countries that they are available from: Belgium, Turkey, Netherlands, UK, Sweden, and Norway. Yeah, but anyway, I'm just giving you option, you guys. But yeah, so just answering surveys and then questions and answer text services. So this is one website, but I really recommend this one, the Become a Bee, because it's really lots of fun, right? It's really fun. Whatever you're doing, like special events in your place, just make a short video and then send it, and you actually get paid. So have fun doing that, guys. I really recommend this site. So it's gonna be on the description down below. And also, if you are looking to make money online, passive income online, make sure to check out my number one recommendation down in the description. And also, if you have any questions, you need help in your affiliate marketing business, just feel free to reach out to me, because I always love to help you in any way I can. All right, guys. So Millard Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.